Hi guys, my name is Gabriel Reynoso. Sorry for the late upload. It's been a really busy week, but I'm really excited to get this started. So without further ado, let's just jump into a little bit about who I am, maybe. So a little bit about me. I am from Mitchell, Nebraska, which is about 4 hours west of here, about roughly 250 miles. And it's a really small town. I usually just tell people I'm from Scottsbluff because most people know where that's at. But I'm a music education major, primary vocal. So I sing more than I do anything else, but I'll be certified to do everything and teach everything like that. I am the oldest male out of 16 half siblings, so big family tree for sure. And as for my social media use, I really just only use Snapchat and Instagram. So Twitter was really something to help me learn quite a bit about social media and just microblogging or blogging in general. So getting into social media marketing, what is social media marketing? After reading the chapters and stuff like that and listening to your guys' presentations, I came up with this like little bit of a thing. The way I see social media marketing is it's a way for businesses to gain attention from social media users for consumerism. And the greatest way to do that is by hitting what everybody's using these days, which is social media. So examples of like big social media things that people use are like stated Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. And I think YouTube is the most interesting one because while it's seen as like video sharing platform, there's more ads on YouTube I think than most anything else, just due to the high variety of people who use YouTube these days. The importance of it. Gosh, I never realized how important social media marketing was for businesses in general until it was presented to me within this class. So I think the biggest part about it is that everybody's on social media these days. In our book that's dated, what, 5, 6 years ago, it says even then, 73% of adults in the United States were on social media or had at least a profile that was active or inactive, does not say, but it was still on social media. And the reason that it's so important to have it out there is because in any age group, as long as you know what market you're going towards, there's ability for anybody to see your products or anything like that. And the best part about microblogging in general, especially with Twitter, is that audience interaction has never been higher, I feel like. I feel like you can speak to anybody or any business and you learn quite a bit about them. Thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, feel free to tweet me. I'm really excited for this semester.